Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen and we're going to jump straight into this tutorial by starting off with damp hair. Now as you can see, first I'm going to be spritzing my hair with water so that my hair is ultra hydrated and ready for the detangling process. Then I'm going to be separating my hair into sections so that I can focus on each section rather than focusing on my whole head at once. For the majority of this video, I'll be showing you how I got the major keys, and I'll be teaching you the major keys of how to get a really flat, slick back on damp, wet, curly hair. And then I'm going to be showing you how I attach the drawstring ponytail that I made with some bundles I received from True Glory Hair. So the hair that I received are two 22-inch bundles of virgin Brazilian kinky curly hair. And if you want to see the transformation from a curly fro to a really flat, slick back, extended curly ponytail, then definitely keep on watching. Tip number one is to detangle your hair the right way, which is by detangling your hair from tips to root. You never want to comb or brush your hair out from root to tip because that will make your hair more prone to breakage. Also, when you add water while you're detangling, that will increase the elasticity of your hair and your hair won't snap as easily as your hair would if it was brittle. This helps with doing a slick back because when you detangle your hair completely and you lay your hair flat with a hard bristle brush, then you'll have very few bumps or lumps in your hair that are visible or that you can even feel in the style. So it'll just make for a very smooth appearance. Tip number two is to work in as many sections as you need to and to take your time. When doing a slick back on type 4 hair, it can and possibly will get frustrating, especially when your hair isn't laying or looking as flat as it could or you feel like it should. But with some patience, I'm sure you can do it, and that just goes to show that a slick back may not be the type of style you want to do when you're in a hurry. Now I'm going to show you how I achieved the zigzag part. So first, I made a rough draft and drew a zigzag part on my scalp with the rat tail comb all at once, and then I focused on each segment of the zigzag by retracing over each line to make sure that the lines are straight and crisp. Tip number three is to find a gel or holding product that works best for you. For example, I love the olive oil eco styler gel because it's been working for me for years for getting a very sleek look, and that's why it's one of my holy grails. But for a curly girl with a more coily texture, this may not work for them because it doesn't hold their hair and give their hair that maximum hold. Likewise, for a girl with a looser texture, this gel may be too drying or too heavy for their hair. So you just need to try different combinations of gels or different alternatives that will give you the look that you desire. Tip number 4 is to use an edge brush or a toothbrush for fine tuning. Nothing gets those little flyaways into place like a small brush does, so after you complete the ponytail, brush your entire head with your toothbrush or your edge brush, and let me tell you, it makes such a difference. So to prep my ponytail for the drawstring ponytail, I sectioned my ponytail into two. I'm two-strand twisting each section, and I'm going to be bobby pinning the twist together so that they form a small ball. To do my edges, I like to keep things simple and do around 2 to 3 swoops on each side and 1 in the middle, so that's what you see me doing here. So here's the drawstring ponytail that I made. I used the entire 2 bundles of the True Glory hair, and I got the drawstring mesh with the combs off of Amazon. So to apply this ponytail, I inserted the combs to the top and bottom of the base of my ponytail. Then I used a drawstring to tighten the ponytail, and after I tightened it to my liking, I wrapped the drawstring around my ponytail until there was no more drawstring, and I just bobby pinned it in place. And that's it for the application of the ponytail. Very straight to the point and easy, and all I did to conceal the drawstring and the root of the ponytail was add a scrunchie. To style this hair, all I used was some mousse to minimize the frizz. I didn't want to completely wet and detangle this hair on the initial wear because I wanted to keep that really nice spiral curl look. But since then, I have co-washed this hair, and I found that this hair does tangle a little bit, which is to be expected with curly hair, but the shedding on this hair is little to none. I didn't get nearly as much shedding with this hair as I have previous bundles that I've used, so that was a really nice perk to see. Alright y'all, so that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you love this hairstyle as much as I do. I'm definitely feeling these curls and the sleekness of it all. If you are interested in knowing more about this hair, definitely check out my description box for more information. Like I said earlier, this video is in collaboration with True Glory Hair. And if you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, go ahead and comment down below, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my new uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.